Hello, friends. Here we meet again, and I am back with a few of the daily clinical tips. Today we have a conflict of skin disease, fungal infection, then an acute case of fever, then yes, a case of allergic rhinitis, follow up, and yes, a case of hypertension with alopecia areata. So, few of the experiences I want to share with you. First is fungal infection. This man came with fungal infection and he had these fungal infection all over his back and the hip region, particularly on the hip portion. Then I asked him, since when you are having this? So he said, from around 3 years I am having these fungal infections. So first and foremost thing, any eruption on the posterior surface of the skin, you need to ask what is going on your uh, behind your back, not physically, literally. So what is going on in your back since last 3 years? So he said, sir, actually, I'm having some problem with my brother, and he feels that because I am the elder brother and I take all the responsibilities, so he thinks that I'm taking money from them and I'm trying to exploit them because since he is the younger brother, all of them they are contributing for whatever work is there in the home. If they want to construct something at home or any renovation work is going on at home, so usually all three of them they contribute. But this brother is not satisfied with him. So I said, what do you feel? Sir, I feel that constantly he is trying to defame me, that I am trying to take money from my brothers. So I took the rubric as delusion accused he is. So he was feeling as if he was accused by his brother of taking money. So delusion accused he is, and medicine was zinc met was prescribed to him. A case of acute fever, acute febrile illness. Yesterday only he had come. This child of around 10 to 12 years. Mother could not specify what was the cause of the illness. So I made use of the acute chart of Dr. Praful Vijaykar sir, our honorable sir. So the child was very dull. He was feeling chilly during fever, and his thirst was very less. So I asked the mother what usually he does during fever when he is ill. So he says, sir, he follows his daily routine. So I believed that this child is a diligent child. So Staphy, Sagria, and Ignatia were the two remedies coming, and I asked the mother what special abilities the child is having. So the mother said this child is very good in drawing and painting. So he likes to do creative activities. So this remedy went in favor of Staphy Sagria. So I gave him Staphy Sagria 200, and this child, after 5 to 6 hours, he did not had a fever. So the temperature previously was 102, and now he is perfectly fine within 5 to 6 hours of our acute prescription. So the Staphy Sagria has one important, interesting rubric: activity desires creative activity. So Staphy Sagria, being a very sensitive remedy, he wants to do all sorts of creative things, and Staphy is very sensitive for his own dignity. So all the negative things Staphy Sagria usually keeps upon his mind. So there is a rubric: dwells grief from past offenses. So whatever past offenses are there, Staphy Sagria always keeps all those offenses in mind. And from this rubric, a delusion goes into the mind of Staphy Sagria, which is delusion: past anxious thoughts and things are present. So feel the perception of Staphysagria. So Staphysagria, he believes that whatever the past offenses are there, they are still present in the present life. This is very, very important. So this is the perception of Staphysagria, which I wanted to specify. Yes, then another case, another tip regarding allergic rhinitis. This patient, he could not narrate what was the exact cause. Actually, uh, mm, very difficult sometimes to elicit the cause. So I asked him generally, what are the things which makes you angry? So he said, "Ki, sir, when I'm having all these allergic symptoms, I get very irritable, I get very angry." I said, "How and what do you feel?" So he says, "Ki, sir, I do not want to do anything. I just want that nobody should disturb me. I should be kept away. I should be on the bed, and nobody should talk to me." So I took the rubric from dispose to. Number one, because when he entered, so he was generally having this. I observed that there is a frowning. So he was basically an angry person. And during allergy, the other rubric which he gave was anger when obliged to answer. There is there is another important rubric in your generalities section which you can very frequently use if you find there are allergies. So this patient was having allergic rhinitis, and he was also having this atopic dermatitis on skin. So this personality was like an allergic constitution. So I took the rubric as allergic constitution, and I gave the remedy Nux Omega 200 last week. And after 7 days, this patient is very better, and is very satisfied. So what is the allergy of Nux Omega? Nux Omega is getting angry, and this anger is from interruption. So whatever his work is going on, Nux Omega is a very workaholic type of person. Because of any reason, if he is being interrupted, so he gets very angry. And anger, objects are not in proper place. If this is very specific of Nux Omega, if the objects, if all his things are not at proper place, so he gets very angry. Then another rubric of Nux is anger paralysis from anger. Very peculiar rubric. Only Nux Omega is mentioned. Anger paralysis from anger. What do you mean by this? So paralysis from anger means a person, when he is angry, so he is not able to do anything. At the time, the mind is paralyzed. So he cannot feel any other thing. He cannot do any other thing. It is as if the anger has overpowered him, and he becomes helpless because of the anger. So that much amount of anger Nux Omega is having. And the amount of anger, you can feel the anger of Nux. Anger, violent, breaking everything. So with anger, breaking everything means he can break relationship when he is angry. He can break any business deal when he is angry. So much amount of anger is there. Not only physical things, he can break relationship also. So that much amount of irritability is there in Nux. Then another case of hypertension with alopecia areata. He came and he had this patch on the vertex right side. So being a right-handed person, I asked straight away, what is your issue with father, or some problem in the work area with your boss? So he says, he gave the history that, sir, I was previously working as a sales rep in a company. Then my friends were also working with me. So something happened and they all left this company, but I still was working over there. Now what happened was, later on I switched over to some another company. It was a herbal pharma something. But my other friends, they were in allopathy, this thing, pharmaceutical company. So I was I was made to work more, and I was made to set more targets. And the other friends of mine who were working in the other pharma companies, so they were having a good job, and I was very much harassed over here. So then I asked him, what did you felt? Sir, so I felt that I should have joined the pharmaceutical company. I should not have been here. I constantly think that I made a very wrong decision in my life, that I continued with this, because any time which I when I don't meet my targets, the boss says that okay, now you can go and you can have your own company or whatever work you can do. So straight away they says that you are fired. So what is the use of working over here? I am not getting more money, but I am getting more of harassment. So he had a feeling of remorse. So I gave him remedy Sorinum 200 one dose, and let us see what follow-up comes. So this was all about today's clinical tips. I hope you guys are enjoying, and I am also having fun learning and interacting with you. Please post as queries as you can. I would love to answer in my further video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.